Come learn with Tovino!
Come on, friend, let's go today to the farm where animals play. Let's explore and hear each sound. Baby, a chicken walking slow, tiny feet go to and fro. Chick, chick, cheep, listen close. What a baby cow by the barn door. Soft brown eyes say hello more. Moo, moo, moo. I want a lamb so fluffy white, jumping happily with delight. Or let's jump together, ha ha ha. Baby piglet in the mud, splashing in a muddy flood. Oink, oink, oink. Silly bee horse runs fast and free, galloping across the field we see. Neigh, 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 let's run and play today. All together on the farm, dancing happy arm in arm. Chicken cheeps, cow says moo, lamb goes by. Pig says oink, horse says neigh, too, and stomp your feet. Farm adventures are so sweet. Dance together, sing hooray. Hey! Which baby animal comes first? Let's watch again.